Hello there. The title of this month's newsletter is Feeling Peaky. At the moment we're feeling slightly cautious because lots of economic data points are getting to what we feel is a bit of a peak. The pace of growth as we recover from the pandemic is starting to slow down. And in fact, people are slightly worried that markets have actually got a little bit ahead of themselves and perhaps have been a little bit too optimistic about how quickly we would recover. We know here in the UK, of course, we've had an increase in the number of cases, and the Delta variant is spreading quite rapidly throughout the UK. Luckily, it doesn't seem to be having a massive impact on hospitalisations, etc. at the moment, and that's why the government has gone ahead and gone ahead with the opening up of the economy. But it's not going to have, I think, the great big boost, if you like, to the economy that a lot of people perhaps thought a few months ago. We know that people are generally still feeling quite cautious. If you look at the latest Office of National Statistics survey, lots of people are saying they're still going to avoid crowded places, which will obviously include pubs and restaurants. They're still going to wear masks in shops. So people are still going to work from home. So it's not going to be a great big boom in the economy. Having said that, though, it will carry on growing. It will carry on gradually getting better, I hope. So the trouble is with markets is that a lot of the time they are fixated on the pace of change rather than the amount of change. The absolute level of the economy is one thing, but they more care about how quickly it's growing or shrinking. And so that's one of the reasons we've seen recently the stock markets just start to come off a bit. We've had a couple of days where things have been quite volatile because just the pace of that growth is starting to slow. I think you can probably say that actually the pace of things like inflation will also slow, in my opinion. It still perhaps might remain higher than we've been used to for some time, but I think, again, we might be close to the peak on that. So, as I've said over the last couple of months, it's just time for us to be a bit cautious, to position the portfolios accordingly. We will potentially get a bit of a pullback at some point, but if so, again, I don't think that's going to be the start of another great big bear market. I just think it might be a buying opportunity. But in the meantime, just need to be careful and make sure we don't take too much risk. Thanks a lot.